There as well, I've got my old faithful compressor out again. I'm pretty sure I kept the other sand and compressor, and the other York compressor I definitely kept. I think I kept the newish sort of sand and compressor off the tractor. I think I kept that as well, the old swash plate one, so I'm good for a vacuum pump project. Been on this for ages. And the shaft gets a bit hot actually. Oh, that's a bit hot. So keep an eye on that motor shaft. I might have to check my parameters. Usually if the motor's getting, the shaft's getting too hot, it means that the parameters aren't set correctly. 48 degrees on the last week, check the VFD. And nothing too bad, 37 degrees Celsius. Yeah, so that's why the rotor gets a bit hot, because it's got a bit of slip there. There might be a bit of slip, that's probably why it's getting a bit hot there. Yeah, 90 is about as high as I can go at 90. Nothing too bad. Between 53 and 54 degrees Celsius on that shaft. Celsius, 48, 57, the compressor gets a bit hot. I've actually fixed up the axial play in the shaft. I've put a washer on that. Behind now I put a washer, and that took care of 90% of the plate. This thing's pretty good now. No more loud rattles. 49. To the bore. Yeah, 56 now. My parameters aren't set right. 41 degrees on that heat sink. That's a combination of belt friction and bloody well, the pull is nice and not even that hot. Yeah, that shaft getting hot. Yeah. That's a sign of bad parameter setup on the VFD. It's not running efficiently, so it's just turning the rotor into an induction heater. So I have to recheck my drive, or get a better drive that does that. 40 degrees Celsius is its ambient temperature rating anyway. So I'll pull this motor apart, just check the windings are okay, in case the rotor's gotten too hot in there. I might even give it another couple of coats of varnish just for maintenance. Wouldn't hurt. Help make this motor last for ages. There's a nice new belt. Just found it at the garage sale free, so they said I'd take it free. It was only going to go in the bin. Not bad. It's a Motorcraft, made in America, unused. Yeah, that shaft is hot. Yeah. It's done it before too. When I first got this drive, it's always done that. So I've got to calibrate my slip bloody settings. So they're all rotor slip, so it's just inducing heat. It's similar to a stalled rotor condition. It just acts as an induction heater. I could try this motor on it, see how this motor goes. This motor might perform better on that than that big one. I've got to get another cord and wire this one out to it and see how that goes. It's got a better foot on it, so it should fit on better. Well, I'll test this one out, let's see how that goes. I've gave it a couple of a good drenching in varnish. I redid my repair of lots and lots of coats of liquid electrical tape. And the whole winding and everything, just with a thick coat of this clear varnish. This is good stuff. This is all you really need. A couple of coats of that, she's good to go. Same as the electric stuff, just cheaper. Works quite well using that. That pulley might be a bit big though. We'll see how we go. That's just so there's a smaller pulley. Be good to make this thing run faster, that's for sure. So they go the other way, doesn't let us grip go this way. Got the grip when it goes this way. That is hot. Anyway, runs quite well. Quite a bit slower. Slow it down and make it so hot. Put 9 hertz. $30 hertz. You can see there. It's not going. Knock actually. Before how I had it set up the first time, when I first did a video on this thing running, the pulley the other one I had was just making this thing rattle actually. Dun, 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 dun. It's not very much pressure this thing does. It doesn't put that much pressure or much of a vacuum. The valves in a relatively good condition, just how this compressor is I think. I took the head off, I put my hand on it while it was running, and the piston itself against my hand had good suction. Because it was already pulled top dead centre when I started it. It just had a vacuum, and it kept that vacuum on my hand on top of it as it was running. So it didn't seem to lose any vacuum, so that from what I can see the bore's not leaking or anything. Although there is a tiny slot behind it, like I showed it before. There's like a machine slot near the bottom of the bore. It just gets exposed, and it pisses at the very bottom. And that actually allows for oil to go past and lubricate it. So this thing's probably best efficient to run faster than slower. Not too bad. Yeah, nice and hot, 50 degrees Celsius bore. That's a hot head. Oh, let's check this out. Yeah, about 6 amps to start that motor. It drops it down, voltage down there. Oh, should pause a bit of current. I never really took notice of that. Now that I've got this proper setup, I can do a proper run and show these gauges what it does. Now I can see in real time what this drive's doing. Start at 90 hertz, stop it, go to about 10 amps. That's the plot of braking to the rotor. Drop down to about 220 volts from 230, so the drive did pull a bit of power there. I was had a bit of an idea. I could run this thing off a UPS and run a 3-phase motor. By doing that, I could run my little fan behind there, my 3-phase motor fan off one of these off a UPS so we get those blackouts. But I don't want to get something that the top of that UPS battery's up with, because if the UPS battery goes flat, that will turn off, and the VFD, when the power fails, It's not really good for it because then you're just using the bus capacitors and that discharges and runs the motor. It's not good for the VFD. Not when you do it all the time anyway, so it's not really ideal, but because a VFD only really needs DC and then converts it to AC, you can run one of these off the mains, rectified mains. You can run these off DC, get a heap of batteries, at least 240 volts with DC worth of batteries to run this. That's all you need to run a motor. So for electric cars, things like that, it's pretty handy. But if you get a good enough inverter to run this inverter and a good battery, you can I could run that fan without using the UPS during the blackouts. Anyway, this little setup works neat. That'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.